There are four main links in agricultural production, namely tillage, planting, management, and harvesting. Agricultural drone is widely used in the planting and management of various crops, among which plant production is the most common. Taking rice plantation management as an example, agricultural drone can be used to spread rice seeds and fertilizers after installing spreading system. In the process of rice growth, agricultural drone can be used for spraying insecticide, fungicide, and herbicide to efficiently complete crop protection. For cotton planting and management, agricultural drone is used to spray growth regulator besides plant protection operation and also defoliant in the later stage. Agricultural drone has the characteristics of high operation efficiency and strong terrain adaptability when doing plant protection operations. Agricultural drone can be used in rice fields, lotus root fields, and fruit trees. Besides, agricultural drone can effectively save water because of less water consumption, fine droplets, and high coverage. However, we should also note that agricultural drone flies at a high altitude, with the small droplets being easy to drift and evaporate. Once the droplets are nebulized from herbicides and some low-safety pesticides drift, they will cause huge damage to plants or animals in downwind direction. Therefore, it is necessary to pay attention to 1. Distinguish the safety of pesticides and evaluate whether the pesticides are safe for downwind crops in advance. For example, the drift of insecticides on mulberry trees may cause the death of silkworms. 2. High temperature at noon in summer will not only evaporate a large number of droplets, but also greatly increase the probability of phytotoxicity. Therefore, operation during high temperature period should be avoided. 3. Under strong wind of above 3.4 meters a second, the droplet will travel a long distance. It may cause a large area of phytotoxicity if the herbicide operation is carried out under this condition. Therefore, it should be prohibited to carry out herbicide operation at wind speed level above 1.6 to 3.3 meters a second. In addition to the risk of phytotoxicity and poisoning, the following risks need to be paid attention to during operation because of the rotating propellers. Due to the fast flight speed of agricultural drone and the high rotating speeds of propellers, personnel should keep a safe distance of more than 6 meters from agricultural drone at any time. It is strictly forbidden to operate the agricultural drone when there are people in the field to avoid accidental damage. Ensure to observe the location of obstacles like electric wires in the field in advance, avoiding impacting on them. If the agricultural drone collides with the high voltage line, its arms are conductive and life-threatening. Remember not to handle it by yourself, but contact with the power supply company professionals to do that.